So let us proceed. We are looking at grade 7 work about the integrated science practical knowledge. So again, a learner can be told to use a Bunsen burner at given time intervals and determine its temperature in Kelvin. So to convert the temperature to Kelvin, also need to know the parts of a microscope and its function. And also determine the area of an irregular shapes. Then strand 2, learner needs to understand homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Also to carry out experiments showing simple distillation, fractional distillation, crystallization, solvent extraction, paper chromatography, the use of a magnet, evaporation, and also unpicking. Under this topic, a student is supposed to know how each method works and the procedure involved, and the diagram showing the process and the application of the process. When the learner knows that, it's good to go because he will have gathered all the knowledge. Then strand 3, this is where now the chemistry is. It's the basis of science, acid bases and indicators. So under this strand, learner is supposed to classify acids and bases. Learner is supposed to give examples of acids and bases. So this topic basically is the basis. Learner need to understand and give examples of the acids and bases by knowing that an acid is a substance that has a sour taste, while base is a substance that has a bitter taste. And also carry out experiments to classify household materials as acids and bases. Using these indicators of methyl orange, phenolphthalein, the litmus paper. So learner need to understand the color of these indicators and the color change when they are placed in either a base, an acid, or a neutral solution. Again, a student need to be able to prepare simple acid-base indicators, what you call the plant extract, and use it to classify acids and bases and give its limitation. So under here we need to see a learner giving us the procedure, how he or she is assembling if it's a red cabbage or the green leaves, how is crushing them in a mortar using a pestle. And here we need to see a solvent, propanol, that's being added. Then from there, learner is supposed to tell us how is filtering that extract, and therefore to obtain that indicator. And again, there's a limitation. A learner need to tell us what's the limitation of this the plant extract as used as acid-base indicator, because you realize this indicator does not cannot be stored, because it can give inconsistent results, because the indicator cannot be stored. Again, students need to know the color change of indicators when in acid, base, or a neutral solution. Students again need to use universal indicator and pH chart to determine the strength of acids and bases. pH chart ranges from 1 to 14. So a learner need to know what is pH 7, that is neutral. A learner need to understand what's the pH of something like a lemon, the pH of sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, the pH of antacid tablets. And again, also a learner need to understand the properties and applications of acids and bases. So thank you very much. In the next video, I'll be showing, taking through strand 4, which is the living things and the environment. What is a learner supposed to know? So that's what we shall be covering in our new video. So I just want to ask you politely to subscribe to this channel so that when I'll be posting something new, you'll be notified, so that you as a learner, you are able to get the necessary materials required for the assessments. Thank you very much. You can share this content to any WhatsApp group so that the teachers and also the learners can use it for revision.